Changing your username on Paramount Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Paramount Plus app or website and log in using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile section or under a menu labeled Account or Profile. Step 3. Select Username option. Look for an option that allows you to edit your username. This may be labeled as Change Username or Edit Profile. Step 4. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username. Make sure it meets any specified requirements, such as character limits or restrictions on special characters. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, locate the Save or Update button and click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your username has been successfully updated. Once you've completed these steps, your Paramount Plus username will be changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.